Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to find if y of x satisfies the differential equation this. So, we have this as the differential equation and y of 0 is 0. Then we have to find out the differential equation. So, look at this differential equation. Let's rewrite this thing. So, we have y dash means dy by dx minus y times 10x is equal to 2x sec x. Now let's try to solve this differential equation. So what we should do? First we will apply variable separable method. So do you think you can segregate all x together and all y together? No, we cannot. Okay, so it is not easily variable separable method. Now we will apply first filter of variable separable method, means dy by dx equals to linear function. You cannot convert this thing into that form, correct? Then second filter, dy by dx equals to linear by linear function. You cannot convert your question into that thing either. Then we have x dx plus or minus y dy. Then we can break down this function with using polar coordinates, correct? So we cannot convert this question into that form either. So what we should do? We should go with new form. This next form means linear differential equation. So how does linear differential equation look like? So it looked like dy by dx plus y is equal to, now we have p of x, q of x. If we have question of this form, if we can convert question into this form, if you'll observe, you can directly convert your question into this form. Look at this, dy by dx into y. Yes, it is in that form. So here we can apply linear differential equation concept. So it goes this way. So we have to write e power integration px dx is equal to e power integration px dx, and then here we will be writing y, and here we will be writing q of x whole integration. Okay, now let's substitute these things. So we have y times e power minus integration 10x dx is equal to integration 2x sec x e power integration minus 10x dx. Now you know that integration of 10x is ln sec x. So we have e power minus ln sec x. So we have 2x sec x e power minus ln sec x dx. Now do you remember this property? A power log b base a is b. You know that ln means log to the base e. So can I write down this thing as y times sec x power minus 1 means this, sec x, y by sec x is equal to integration 2x sec x 1 by sec x dx. This thing gone. Now let's write down the final result. So we have final result as y by sec x is equal to 2 times x square by 2. So 2 gone, we are left with x square plus integration constant c. Now we have to find out the value of integration constant. So for that they have given y of 0 is 0. So this function will satisfy 0 comma 0. So if you will replace x and y with 0 and 0, you will have, because y is 0, LHS will become 0. Because x is 0, this RHS will become 0 and you will be left with C. So we got value of C as 0. So the final result will be what? Y equals x square sec x. So this is your function. Now they can ask you anything based on the given function f of x equals to x square sec x. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.